Center physician Brian Garibaldi discussing what President Trump's Sunday will look like. Dr. Garibaldi continues to look and feel as well as he does today. Our hope is that we can plan for a discharge as early as tomorrow to the White House, where he can continue his treatment course. White House physician Sean Conley also talked about the president dealing with 2 drops in his oxygen levels. We debated the reasons for this and whether we'd even intervene. It's a determination of the team, based predominantly on the timeline from the initial diagnosis, that we initiate dexamethasone. Conley saying that the president experienced low oxygen levels on Friday morning and Saturday. You're listening to USA Radio News.
Right now, we're all experiencing something that we've never been through before, and one of the big changes is wearing a face cover. Many studies show that face covers work to slow the spread, but the kind you use really matters because not all offer the same protection. Boomer Naturals offers a highly rated consumer face cover with 3 layers of comfortable, breathable cotton polyester blend cloth in sizes for adults and children. These are in stock now and ship to you fast. These multi-use covers are also very affordable at about 30 cents a day. One reason why these are so highly protective is each layer is enhanced with nano silver technology that can aid in filtration, block droplets and tiny particles, and that middle layer is your built-in filter. Boomer Naturals donates one face cover for every order to nonprofits and charities, helping tens of thousands of Americans in need. Order today at boomernaturals.com. Use promo code WARRadio20 at checkout and save 20%. That's promo code WARRadio20. Boomer Naturals, your source for in-stock face covers.
President Trump's campaign is blasting the Biden campaign for continuing to air negative ads while President Trump is fighting COVID-19 at Walter Reed Medical Center in Maryland. Biden's campaign pledged Friday to take down all negative ads against Trump as the president battled the coronavirus, but TV spots criticizing the president were still running Saturday. The Trump campaign saying nearly 100 negative ads against the president aired on Saturday while the president was at Walter Reed Medical Center. The New England Patriots and Kansas City Chiefs are now scheduled to play tomorrow night. The NFL says the game will begin at 7:05 Eastern Time on CBS. The game was set to take place today, but positive coronavirus tests pushed the game back. The league is saying there are no new positive tests on either team. The Monday night game between the Atlanta Falcons and Green Bay Packers will now begin at 8:50 Eastern Time on ESPN. You're listening to USA Radio News.
Balance of Nature is fruits and vegetables in a capsule, changing the world one life at a time.
You guys, your customer service and everything, you guys are great. And the commercials talk about it, but I don't know if it really gives it true justice. People need to know this is maybe the most amazing product you've ever tried. It's so pure, it tastes so good. I'm just blown away by it.
Balance of Nature is now offering 35% off on any new preferred order. Go to balanceofnature.com today and use discount code USA.
There is still some optimism that a new coronavirus relief bill will be passed sometime before the election. Democratic Speaker of the House Nancy Pelosi and Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin are still set to have a phone conversation later on Sunday. As far as why a deal hasn't been done already, Republican Congressman Mike Johnson of Louisiana believes.
Fortunately, Speaker Pelosi has weaponized the stimulus bill. You know, they tried to pass it along party lines on Thursday night this past week, but 18 Democrats voted with us on the Republican side against it because it's $2.2 trillion. It's not targeted and focused as it needs to be. It mentioned the word cannabis more than it mentioned the word jobs. It's not what the American people need, but many, many people are in desperate situation and desperate times right now, and that's why the President, the White House, and all the Republicans in Congress are continuing to push this. I hope Nancy Pelosi will heed that and we'll get back to the table and get something done because it can't happen too soon.
A former Major League Baseball player sought in the shooting death of his ex-girlfriend in a Phoenix suburb was found dead Saturday of a self-inflicted gunshot wound at the Grand Canyon. The body of Charles Hagar was discovered around 4 o'clock along a trail along the southern rim of the Grand Canyon in northern Arizona. Police were looking for Hagar on suspicion of murder and aggravated assault charges against his ex-girlfriend. For USA Radio News, I'm Tim Berg.
There's so much hand sanitizer on the market, but beware, not all hand sanitizers are created equal. That's why you want to use 2020 Safe hand sanitizer. You can trust the hand sanitizer on 2020safe.net to be made with the highest quality ingredients. American made with American ingredients
going American. Log on now to 2020safe.net and order your 1 liter today.
Normally $29.99, but reduced to $19.99. So hurry while supplies last and receive a bonus. That's right. You'll receive a 30-count bottle of Immune Booster, a $39.95 value, free by using code GCN at checkout. Right now, click 2020safe.net. That's 2020safe.net to get our 1 liter bottle of high-quality hand sanitizer with your free bonus. A 30-count bottle of Immune Booster valued at $39.95. Remember to enter GCN at checkout, and the bonus is yours free. 2020safe.net.